Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law, and through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and also an update on our $1 Million Challenge, so please stay tuned. In the previous video we did a stock update on ticker symbol MU, ticker symbol DKS and also ticker symbol BCTX, so please refer back to the previous video for updates of these three stocks. Before we start today's stock analysis, quick reminder of the $1 Million Challenge. So if anyone's not aware of this, this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So this involves a journey of trying to achieve 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades, and we do take into account losses. So for the challenge, we have a special spreadsheet with low and medium risk stocks, many of them designed to get you to achieve the 3.5% return with color coordinated buy and target price signals. We have a Discord community well in excess of 300 now working together in the challenge, many of them sharing due diligence, trading tips, research, technical analysis, etc. The Discord area includes an agreement area, FAQs, you can chat and ask questions. The stock spreadsheet is also available there. You can share your buys. We have a king and queen alert section and also a leaderboard plus updates. And also once you join the challenge, you'll get access to the exclusive strategy video with more in-depth and detailed explanation of the strategy before you start. So details in the description below. Join us on this journey. One thing I'd like to start with is by having a look at the reasons why the general market has been down over the previous few days and also why the Nasdaq has been down. So we're going to start by having a look at an article here from Reuters dated November the 23rd, 2021, and we can see a headline here. Shares retreat as traders see higher rates, Turkish lira nosedive. So there is a fear of inflation. There is also a fear of higher interest rates going into 2022, and this is certainly not good for the market. It's not good for the Nasdaq, and let's now see what else is causing the market to go down. In this follow-up article, also dated November the 23rd, 2021, we can also see that as the Nasdaq tumbled, big tech stocks also lost significant ground. This included stocks such as Microsoft and Tesla, which did see significant fall. So the Nasdaq did go down approximately 1.26%. Bank stocks did extend gains as yield rose. However, we're going to now proceed to have a look at how the overall market did in terms of the general heat map. So in terms of this general heat map for the overall market, we can see top left hand side in terms of technology stocks, Apple is down, Microsoft is down, Nvidia is down. If we contrast that with the financial services market at the bottom left hand side, we can see many stocks here are in the green and up. These include JPM, BAC, WFC. However, PayPal is down, but if we have a look at the top middle and top right, we can see Google is down, Facebook is down, Amazon is down, and quite significantly Tesla was down in excess of 7%. If we look at the energy sector, this is doing fairly well. The real estate sector is also doing fairly well. The first stock we're going to look at today is ticker symbol MMAT, Metamaterials. We're also going to do an update on ticker symbol MMTLP, the preference share. So first of all, let's have a look at the overall chart going back to prior to March for ticker symbol MMAT, previously trading also as Torch before the merger. We can see here in terms of the chart, again, not a great period going forward from July onwards, where we did see a significant sell-off. The stock did take a little bit of a battering. We did see early October, the stock did go in excess of $6. And just a couple of days ago, we can see here that it's been trading below $4. And right now, we've just seen market conditions are not very good. Many stocks are being hit, especially the tech sector. And Metamaterials, MMAT, is also not immune to this. And we can see a little bit of consolidation. The stock does seem to be heading towards the $3.60, $3.50 mark. What is the future? What is the potential? And what should we do going forward? So overall, what I would like to say with regard to Metamaterials MMAT, I think the long-term potential is still there. What I would like from the company is certainly some positive news with regard to PR, especially some announcement with regard to contracts. George has been asked. We also are getting closer and closer to the dividend. So again, we are expecting news for this fairly imminently. It's not long to go now before the deadline of December the 28th. And what I'd now like to focus on is have a look at ticker symbol MMTLP. There has been some concerning news, so I'm going to have a look at this now. So first thing I'd like to do here is give a shout out to Money Badger here, and in his post he said, I originally purchased Torch in my RRSP account, got an email from the bank and said I have to transfer or sell the preferred share or I will be heavily penalised because MMTLP isn't a registered stock. This process must cost me thousands of dollars. Anybody have this issue? Thanks. So the only thing I'd like to add on to this is my opinion. This certainly looks like a potential scam. You certainly need to get clarification from the company, and it could be some underhand dealings with regard to encouraging people to sell. I certainly would not encourage anybody to sell the MMTLP preference shares, as this is your right and entitlement to receive the dividend. And the second point of concern with regard to MMTLP, I'd like to give a shout out to Jimmy Jawade on the comments, and he's added here, as part of my margin call, Robinhood sold all my dividends shares. They could have sold other shares. I'm so angry and disappointed. What can I do now? Question mark. Can I buy back at a different OTC platform like Ameritrade, etc.? Please help. So I have come across one or two other examples of similar things. It's certainly very concerning. My only advice here is if anybody has any information on this, please add it in the comments below. But with regard to Jimmy, all I would say is contact Robinhood. Certainly this is, in my opinion, breach of contract. If they are selling your shares without your permission, then certainly it's a case of breach of contract, so that does need to be followed up. The next stock I'd like to do a quick update for is ticker symbol AQST, AQST Therapeutics. This is a stock that I initially introduced in the Discord when it was trading around about the $4.20 mark. You'll see right now it's trading around about the $6 mark, so a good increase there, very close to 50%. However, there was in my previous detailed due diligence video, if you have a look, that was released earlier on, did talk about some potential strong catalysts for this, so please refer back to the previous video for details of that. But let's now just proceed to have a look at the chart. Going back to prior to March 2021, we can see here just after October 2021 the stock has been in a good bullish run, and right now we can see in very difficult trading conditions the stock is certainly seems to be holding up well around the $6 mark. Let's now have a quick look at the 6 months chart. So going over a shorter period of time, we can see here on the 6 month chart the stock is up in excess of 75.8%. So certainly the momentum is very strong and very bullish. However, we can see just prior to July it was available around about the $3.50 mark, and when I introduced this stock in early October it was also available around about the $4 mark. So since then we have seen some very strong momentum, and at time of editing just trading around the $6.04 mark. What I'd now like to do is have a quick reminder in terms of people holding this stock for the longer period. Many people in the Discord are also holding ticker symbol AQST after it was introduced. And in terms of a reminder of the price targets, if we have a look at here, based on 4 Wall Street analysts, all 4 of them have rated this stock a buy. The lowest target price is $13, and as we know it's currently trading around the $6 mark. This represents a 100% plus increase. However, on a high, we also have one analyst as rating this as in terms of a forecast price of $28. So certainly a huge upside potential there. And what is the news? What is the reason? Please refer back to the previous due diligence video for details of why this stock is certainly becoming a huge potential stock for a great return. And finally, just to finish off, again, I'd like to give a quick reminder for everybody holding this stock or anybody wishing to invest in this stock. We're looking at around about 30 days now left for the FDA potential approval of Libervant for AQST, and certainly there's a possibility of early approval, so that will certainly drive the stock up. We can also here have a quick reminder in terms of the stock and why it has a potential to certainly go up quite significantly, possibly a squeeze. It also has a very low float. The stock has got huge potential going forward, but as it is a pharmaceutical stock, it also comes with significant risk. Finally, if anybody would like to get advanced notification of such stocks such as AQST, which was initially first introduced in the Discord and also in one of my earlier videos, join us in our Discord, details in description below. And also if you'd like to join us on the $1 Million Challenge, details are also in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.